Well, hello. Our team is confirmed by Emilio Pérez, Gabriel Bortoni, and Gustavo Villareal. And today we will explain you how to do data validation, percentages, increments, and decrements, and Vlookup. All of this done in Excel. Okay, for data validation, first we need to select all these column that we want to validate. Then click data and data validation. In the setting, we will be only using list and whole numbers. As you can see in the instructions here, it says validated jersey number to allow numbers from 0 to 99 only. So we will be using whole number between and 0 to 99. Input message. Here we have to put a title for the message and we can put jersey number. And in the input message is like kind of instructions. So he can put choose a number of jersey from 0 to 99. And then here in alert, we'll use in a style that is warning, and in the title we will put error and message try again. That's how you do whole numbers. Then in nationality, we'll have to select everything again, data validation, but instead of doing whole numbers, we're using list. And source, we have to select all the lists we want to validate, like nationality. Then here, oh, sorry. Then input message, we'll put nationality, nationality, and an instruction. So choose only one nationality. Then in the error, we're using a style that's warning and title error and try again. That's the only two. Serious nationality is list and jersey number is whole number. As you can see here in the instruction says choose a number of jersey from 0 to 99. So if we put 99, it's gonna let us put it. But what happens if we put 150? It will say error and try again. So we will put again 30 and it lets us and 50. Now in nationality, here it's like says choose only one nationality. And if we click here, this is the options we have: Mexican, American, and Canadian. We will choose Mexican, Canadian, and American. And that's how you do data validation from whole numbers and list.
Now we're going to see percentages, increments, and decrements. So first we'll multiply the price times the quantity to obtain the total sales. So equal sign price multiplied by quantity. So we apply it to all the cells. Then we will use increment to obtain the total sales with taxes. So plus sign the total sales plus you open a parenthesis, you select then the total sales times the percentages of taxes. So here is important to add an absolute reference to the taxes here, and you apply it to all the cells. Now for the total sales, you will use decrement. So equal sign, we select the total sales minus again parenthesis total sales multiplied by the discount and put the absolute reference. And we apply to all the cells. So the commission is very similar to the total sales formula, but we'll use an absolute reference here, and we put the absolute reference. Now the price with discount and the price increase is the same as this, but we are using the price instead of the total sales.
Now, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP stands for vertical VLOOKUP, and it is used to search for a value in the first column of a table. Then return a value from another column in the same row. For example, imagine if you have a long list of products and you want to find a specific price for a specific product. It will take you a lot of time. Here's an example. A company is doing the balance sheet for the end of the month, where a base salary is assigned to each sales employee and a commission that will depend on their work area. Follow instructions. Use the VLOOK function to find the commission percent that should be given to each employee. Use the VLOOK function to find the area where they work corresponds to the work area. The first we're going to do is to put equal VLOOKUP. Then very important fx. Now lookup value. Lookup value means what is looking. So now we want there to look for the number 2. Table array is this one because it's one will be look function to find. Column index num is what number of these two columns is going to find the number of the lookup value. So in this case it's 2. And range lookup, this is very important. 0 equals false and first and 1 equals true. In this example, we're going to use number 1 because the numbers in this table are not the same in here. Also very important, absolute references. And ready. Now here, also the same. VLOOKUP, fx, lookup value, area where they work, table array, now here, and call index num also 2. In this case, it's going to be 0 because this information is exactly as the information of these tables. And that is our answer. Also, don't forget the absolute references. Now, if you have learned all this, you are going to be an expert in Excel.